Hello everyone, in front of me is XIAOMI Smart Cooking Robot, and let me show you how to add your profile. So at first open profile, get your phone in hand and mark tap to login. Now you have to scan QR code, so just open camera and scan the code. Here tap open. And now open XIAOMI Home. Now it's time to connect with Wi-Fi. Just tap on next. And just wait till it's done. As you can see here, you can observe the progress. Give it a couple of seconds. And now you can smoothly sign in. Just tap on sign in. And as you can see, it has been done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.